Hello, Melissa and Mickey here. I am back for another holiday vacation at Walt Disney World. I'm trying out the Contemporary Resort. We are in the Tower Club, which means that we are up on floor 14. This is where all of our suites are, and we have a few standard rooms as well. We're trying out the Tower Club offerings. We have food, we have sushi that comes down from California Grill, and it's just a little bit upgraded from what you'll find at the Atrium Club. So, of course, I have Atrium Club level videos and footage up as well, so we can talk about what best meets your family's needs. And we are going to tour room 4913. Again, we're on the Tower Club level. It is a standard room, but guess what? We have a Magic Kingdom view if we want to watch Enchanted Fireworks. So I'm so excited about that. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa and Mickey. You don't want to miss a thing. Book with a Disney expert. We can go over your entire Disney vacation, and it would be my pleasure to serve your family. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. I can't wait to talk to you. Now, let's go in and check out our Club Tower standard room here on the 14th floor at the beautiful Contemporary. I already have noticed that the 4913 room number is a little bit different. The room seems very large. Noticing the beautiful floor. Here's the bathroom. We'll come back and look at that. As usual, we're going to scan the room here, and then I'll go back and show you all the details. I love our newly reimagined Incredibles rooms theme. This is Frozone. And I've just turned the air down, so it is quite cool. So we have a Frozone room, and wait till you see the balcony. It is crazy cool. So let's start here. This Club Tower room will sleep 4 guests. There's 2 queen-size beds. Underneath the beds, we do have luggage storage, which is great. And as I mentioned before, we have Frozone theme. He's so cute. And there he is also on the backdrop. Look at the lights. They're so awesome. And we have lights here for reading. And then we have all of our light switches here. We have USB ports. We have regular plug-ins. And then we also have a phone. And here's some more storage. Here's a drawer down here. Awesome. And our Disney theme. Love that. And then here's Frozone. Ha! So cute. Love him. All right. Here's the flat screen TV. Welcome, Giles family. They've got the little 33 touch, love that. And then there's a desk here, if you will. We've got a table and 2 chairs. Now these rooms connect to suites. So if you have a larger party, maybe your children need a second room, we can absolutely request a connecting room. So we've got a beautiful table, and we've got a nice little chocolate and a welcome gift. I love that Disney always takes great care of us. Thank you for inviting me to tour your rooms. These are great. Okay, and here's our little kitchenette. We've got a Keurig coffee maker, and then we also have K-cups here. We have regular, we have decaf, we have English breakfast tea, green tea, sugar, all that you will need, and some creamer. And then we also have coffee cups. We've got a drawer here, and then we've got a dorm size refrigerator. I always like to say, you know, probably half a gallon of milk in here. Bring lots of treats back from the club lounge. That's a great thing to do. We have some to-go cups here, and then we have an ice bucket. Now here is your closet. So let's open this. We've got more space here. We've got your safe. You put in the code. We've got drawers, which I love here. And then a full length mirror, which is nice for getting ready. We're going to the Mickey's Very Merry Christmas party tonight, so I'll need that mirror for sure. Here's more closet space. So I see a steamer, which I've been noticing in all the rooms. Love that, in the deluxe rooms, I should say. And here are hangers. Here's our robe. Love that. And then your luggage rack, which is really nice. And then here's your extra pillow and blanket if you need that. And now let's check out the bathroom. I love that we have a double sink here, which is really nice. We have our towels. We have nice granite here. Everything looks so sleek and frozone. And here's our H2O bath products, which is nice, are nice. And then we've got more storage underneath here. There's your hair dryer. We've got a bath mat. Now check out this shower, you guys. This is really cool. It's a shower and a bath combo. So you've got a beautiful soaking tub, and you've also got room here for your shower, which is very nice. A handheld and a rain shower, which is great. Here are your body products, conditioner, shampoo, body wash, all H2O. And here is your potty. There's Frozone. Very cool. Oh, and I love this. So they've stamped the toilet paper with the contemporary. I just love that touch. It's so cute. Love it. This is all so beautiful. All right, now let's go out on the balcony. It is gorgeous. It's getting dark outside. The lights, I can see Bay Lake, and I can also see the Magic Kingdom, which is beautiful. And don't forget, contact Melissa and Mickey for your next Disney vacation. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. Now let's go look outside. Opening the door here. Wow, look at this balcony. It is huge. So we've got 2 chairs here. Oh, look, there's the castle. Oh my goodness, this is so lovely. We are right in the center of the Contemporary Resort. I love that. So there is Tron. There's Space Mountain, which has a holiday overlay. I can't wait to ride that again tonight. There's the castle. It's so beautiful. And again, lots and lots and lots of space here. Chase Lounge, 2 chairs, and lovely, lovely, lovely space. Well, that's our room tour. I hope you liked it, and I can't wait to talk to you soon and book your next Disney vacation. Contact Melissa and Mickey at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com.